Have you ever wondered how to create stunning professional booklets without outsourcing? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Kyocera Taskalfa 4 series to make flawless booklets step by step. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to produce sleek, polished booklets. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Copy. Today, I'm showing you a step-by-step guide to create booklets right from the control panel of your Kyocera Taskalfa 4 series. Please note, the booklet making feature requires a finisher unit with stapling and folding capabilities. Without this optional accessory, the machine won't be able to automatically fold and staple your booklet. Also, make sure the printer's firmware is up to date. Some booklet making features might be optimized or available only in newer firmware versions. Let's get started. Start by placing your documents into the document feeder, face up. Make sure the pages are aligned neatly to prevent any jams. Once your documents are loaded, tap the Copy button on the home screen to begin setting up your booklet. Now look for the Finishing tab. Once there, tap Booklet. This option sets up your pages to fold and staple just like a real booklet. You'll now see three options: one-sided booklet, which prints on one side of each sheet; two-sided booklet for double-sided pages, saving paper and looking extra polished; booklet, perfect if you're working with larger volumes or specific layouts. Pick the option that suits your project. The two-sided booklet is a solid choice for most professional-looking booklets. Next, it's time to fine-tune your booklet setup. There are several options here, so let's break them down. Binding in original. This option refers to how your original document is formatted. Left binding means the original reads like a standard book, flipping pages from right to left. Top binding means the original flips like a notepad or calendar, with pages flipping upward. Binding in finishing. This controls how your final printed booklet will be bound. Left binding creates a booklet that opens like a traditional book. Right binding is for documents designed to read from right to left, such as in certain languages. Top binding is for flipbooks or calendars where pages flip vertically. Original orientation. This determines how the printer interprets the layout of your original document. Top edge on top ensures the top edge of your pages stays upright in portrait mode. Top edge on left rotates the pages for landscape orientation, with the left edge acting as the top when flipped. Cover options. Toggle cover to on if you want a standout first page, or leave it off for a seamless design. Set these options based on your preferences and hit OK. After that, you'll be taken back to the main menu, ready for the final checks before printing. Double-check your settings, number of copies, paper size, and layout, then press Start. The Kyocera takes it from here, folding and stapling everything into a professional quality booklet. Look at that, a clean, crisp booklet ready to impress. Whether it's for meetings, brochures, or presentations, this simple process makes you look like a pro. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if this was helpful, and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your office tech. Got any questions? Give us a call or visit our website, ais-now.com. And remember, you can worry less with AIS.